How to reset Dropbox password. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, I'm going to show you how to reset your Dropbox password if you've forgotten it. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to www.dropbox.com. Once you're on the Dropbox homepage, click on the sign in button. If you remember your email and password, go ahead and enter them. But if you have forgotten your password, don't worry, just click on Forgot Your Password link. Now, you will need to enter the email address associated with your Dropbox account. This is the email you used when you created your account. After entering your email, you need to click on Submit. You should see a message that says, if Dropbox account exists for this email, an email will be sent with further instructions. Go ahead and check your email inbox for a message from Dropbox. Once you find the email, click on the link that says reset your Dropbox password. This will take you to the page where you can enter a new password. Make sure it's something secure and easy for you to remember. After entering your new password, you need to click on Submit. And that's it, you have successfully recovered your Dropbox account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials. Let us know in the comment what type of video you would like to see next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.